here's what we got going on today. She's a big one. Packaged water source heat pump. See the coaxial poles. There's the Vito hanging there. We've got a first stage is digital scroll. You can see our water lines come in there and feed everything. Actuator on the inlet water of each circuit. This is a VAV system, so exhaust fan, supply fan VFDs, controlled off static pressure. There's our control panel there. See what we got going on here, 55 degrees. We can scroll through here and basically see everything. Supply fan, exhaust fan. We got 3 compressors running. It has been, temperature-wise, a little cooler outside around here. It has been humid as shit, so I'm showing 75, 65% humidity. Our return air temp doing pretty good, 54% humidity. There's not an issue here. We've got, this is equipped with an economizer. It's got a minimum position. So the complaint was there was a few spaces that were cold. Fairly familiar with this building, so I kind of got an idea of what's going on. Like I said, VAV system, each VAV box, rather than having an electric heater, has a hot water reheat coil. So we're going to come out here and find our secret doorway. It took me a while to find this the first time. It's the only way to access upstairs, and we're going to find out where our hot water's at. So what we got here is steam, heat, high pressure, low pressure steam. This is my hot water supply and pump. So hot water supply feeds into here, which is a heat exchanger, and then the steam feeds in to here to heat the water. So if my thought was correct, there's our temperature controller there. It's got that probe, comes off and senses the water temperature, and that actuates that valve to allow more steam flow or less. What I suspect has happened is they just came out of a shutdown and they've turned my boiler off at some point. So basically all our steam turns to water, and you got steam traps here. But I believe if we just drain all of our water out of here, we should get steam flowing again. I've got steam here, valves are on, and I've got steam too here. So let's get it drained out and see what happens from there. Well, we got a hose running drain. Pop that on there. Let's crank this valve open. See if we get any water out of that end. Starting to flow. steam flow again. It looks like all of my valves are on. These screw type valves, so you see the threads on this is in, so it's closed. The threads on those are out, so that means it's open. So it looks like everything's open. So as we drain that water out, should start getting some steam through and get some hot water back to the coils. Alright, back to our main. Now we're on to something. So I verified my valves up there were on, but what we got happening, high pressure steam coming in, steam, no low pressure steam. This valve here is closed. Almost lost it there. Come on. That was residual pressure in that gauge. What I thought was steam was not. I didn't have these valves turned on. Pushing all that water out of there. Oh yeah. A lot of nasty water out of there. Turn it off before I make too much of a mess. And then we'll just make sure our trap does flow good. And I got steam going into here now. You can see my condensation went away real quick. We're gonna see this temperature go up. There's my steam pressure now. Water supply, you can see there around about 60 degrees, 70 something. Let's make sure we get all the water. Flush everything out real good. There she goes. Steam out now. She's starting to flow. It's just taking a minute. It's gonna take a minute. You can see our water temperature drastically changed. We were running about 60 to 70 degrees already up to almost 100. So yeah, there's our inlet water sitting at 70. So we'll let the water temp come up, let everything run, our trap string, and then we'll call this one good. We were turning on that valve, so I'm gonna go ahead and crank it back down to where it was set, and then we'll monitor our water temperature and adjust if we need to. Well, we got good pressure coming out now, so we call this one good. You know what you guys think?